What is up, guys? A little bit of a different video today. Meowta is warming up right now. Today we're heading up to Road Atlanta. My roommate Eric is doing his first track day in the Turbo Civic. If you've been following the channel for a little while, you might have seen some of those videos in the past. If not, go back and watch them. But yeah, should be cool. Gonna try and get some cool shots and just hang out. So let's get going. Alright, made it to Road Atlanta. You can see turn 10A and 10B behind me. Made it here just in time. Made it here just in time to get some shots of Eric's second run, so I'll throw those up right now. But yeah, gonna be a little bit of a different video today. Just gonna hang out here and try and bring you guys along for the ride and hopefully get some cool stuff.
I'ma live like I'm alive, like I'm alive, like there's no forever. Gonna ride to the other side of this earth if I wanna. We got this sun to chase, so little time to waste, so won't let it pass me by. 'Cause for a moment I'm alive.
I'm making Eric take all his wheels off so we can clean them properly.
Maybe.
I mean, yeah. That one, yeah.
Alright, well, that concludes the track day and post-track day cleanup of the car. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I'm not sure how long this is going to end up being. I'm going to edit this video right after this, but always seem to end up not filming as much as I would think at these events just because there's a lot going on. But it was a good day. The car did really well. I know Eric was very worried about it, but I knew it was not going to be a problem. It's a very solid setup, and he did a lot to ensure that the car stays cool with everything he's done to the cooling system, as well as adding an oil cooler. So yeah, the car did absolutely great. A little bit of rain on and off all day long, but the last run of the day was very dry. So I think that ended up being his best run of the day for sure. But yeah, it was fun hanging out. I think I might have to get the Miata out there at some point now. It looked like a lot of fun. But anyways, yeah, this is just a little break from installs. We've had a lot of installs on the channel recently. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. More installs to come, of course. I think we're going to tackle exhaust next on the Miata and probably do something about those side skirts because a lot of people have been saying do something with the side skirts. I know they're very bacony. I'll do something with them. That is the plan. Just got to get around to it. Oh, real quick before we go. I drove the Miata up to the track yesterday. It's about an hour and 20-minute drive from my house to the track. And I have got to say, with the new carpet and everything, and I put the top back on, it was a very pleasant ride. I'm very pleased. Car feels really good, really fun to drive. I haven't been driving it as much recently, so it was really good to get in there and drive it. Had a lot of fun. Much quieter, much cooler, no bad smells, good vibes. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you as always for watching. If you made it this far in the video, leave a comment down below. Tell me where you're from. There's almost 3,000 of you guys following the channel now, which is insane. So leave a comment down below. Where's everyone from? But I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome week, and we will see you in the next one.